Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Data Labs, and I'm your host and host Madhur. Today I will be introducing you to the world of data and databases. This is very basic introduction to data, designed especially for those who have very little to no idea about what is data and how is it driving the world. I will start with the brief explanation about what is data and what value does it hold in the modern day world. Along with this, we will also touch some other basic key points about data that you should know before getting into the world of data management. Later, we shall cover introduction to databases and its characteristics. Now, let's start by understanding what is data. What is data? I define data to be anything which provides us some information or knowledge, provided that it is recorded or documented somewhere in some form and can be shared, presented to someone else. As you can see in the figure over here, data provides a user with some information or knowledge and makes him or her a happy consumer. Data can be dated back to the earliest times we can know of. We have seen data in the form of inscriptions on walls, as in the ancient or medieval times, and also in the form of books. We also see data in the form of images, videos, files, and text. Everything and anything that you come across on web or on social media is some form of data. Even the video that you are seeing right now is nothing but data. So data can be present in any tangible or non-tangible form. So in simplest words, we can say data can be described as anything that can be recorded, organized, presented in a way that it provides information and contributes to knowledge.
Now let's understand the value of data and the importance that it holds in the modern day society.
As we already talked about, the data when presented in organized form imparts some information and knowledge. This information and knowledge gained helps us taking informed decisions. Let's understand the value of data from our day-to-day examples. That how knowingly and unknowingly we all are taking decisions based on some data. We'll take a basic example of a calendar which provides us the knowledge that what day, date, month, and year it is. Once we look at this data and process the information, we make a decision that is it a work day, is it a school day, or is it a holiday? That had there been no such data in the form of calendar been present, the simple decision making would have become very hard. So data helps us to take informed decisions, whether it is in our day-to-day lives or in banks, healthcare, schools, offices, or any sectors of society. In the modern day world, data also enables us to make forecasts and do predictive analysis like checking the weather forecast and deciding whether to take an umbrella while stepping out of home or not. Data have now become a necessity of modern day society. Data plays a key role in doing any research or innovation. Data have played a key role in all modern day innovations from robotics to AI and will also continue to play the role in future as well.
Now let's understand some other key points about data. Data is stored in binary format in machine storage or memory. The machine can be either your computers, your mobiles, or even the cloud storage. Data is measured in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, and so on. Data can be present in different forms. It can be numerical, like integers 0 to 1 to forward and anything else. It can be decimals, any number which is a fraction or a decimal can be used over here. Data can be text, for example, any alphanumeric characters as New Delhi. Boolean, which can be either true or false. Date time, images, and videos. By now, you all should be clear that what is data and why is it so important in the modern day world. I would also like to add here that we always use the term data for digital version of the data, and we will continue to do so in future videos. Data can be stored and presented to us in multiple ways. One of the key data storages are databases. So what is a database? A database is an organized collection of structured data that is stored, managed, and accessed electronically. The structured data is most of the time stored in the form of tables with rows and columns, as you can see a very small table here. The other figure that you see is a general picture to show and represent a database. As data is stored in the form of tables, it becomes easy to read and retrieve it. Databases are used across the multiple sectors in the world to store the data securely. Now let's look into some characteristics of database. As we already talked about, data in a database is organized in the form of tables. And the tabular format makes it easy to retrieve the data for user. The data manipulation and data management also becomes easy. Databases also provide data security. You can apply the security for your data the way you want. It also supports ACID transactions and maintains data integrity. I hope the first four would be clear to you. The last two we shall cover in our next session when we dive deep into the database. With that, we come to the end of this session. I hope you are now well introduced to the world of data and databases. For any questions or suggestions, you can comment down on this video or join my Ask Me Anything session on TopMate, which is on every Friday. You can find the link of the session in video description. Next time, we will be diving deep into databases and understanding more concepts regarding it. For more such sessions, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It keeps us motivated to bring more sessions for you. Also hit the bell icon so that you are notified about my new sessions. See you next time.